Hey Kansas City, it's time for a housing market review. Let's look at month of July and see how we did. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, bringing you this market update from downtown Overland Park. For the month of July, we saw 4.4% less homes closed. We did see an increase of 11.5% in the average sale price, going from $301,000 to $336,000. Now the number of homes for sale has increased 2.9%, and the supply of the buyer ratio to the selling ratio has actually increased 7.1%. So we do have more homes for sale and we have fewer buyers currently looking. It's also the end of summer and the start of the school year, which isn't uncommon to see a little bit of slowdown. Question this month is actually for you. What's a fall project or trend that you're looking forward to incorporating into your house? Comment below. We look forward to see what you're changing in your property. And as always, subscribe for more updates on the current housing market as well as Kansas City trends that you're enjoying and we would like to share.